Here's something I don't recommend doing, but I'm going to do. Hey everyone, welcome back to Just One More Mod. I want to do a follow-up video on the ESS charge pipes that I got. I've been getting a lot of questions about what I think, but I really wanted to do something that I've been wanting to do for a while. So I just finished up doing 3 data logs. It is 86 out is what the car says right now. I have a P3 gauge, however I haven't plugged it in yet. As you can see, there's the dash, there's where P3 gauge is. So I want to plug it in for you guys, pop the hood, and then do something that you probably can't do with regular aluminum or metal charge pipes. I'm going to pull into the garage because I haven't pulled in yet. I just disconnected from boot mode and the Wi-Fi agent, so I want to pull in here. Car is still running, so it is nice and heat soaked, and we're trying not to hit the pool float. Don't hit the pool float. Nice. And turning off the car. Actually, wait, let's not turn off the car. Let's turn that off. I'm gonna leave the car running. While it's still running, I'm gonna plug in my P3 gauge. And I just wanna show you guys, I have no idea what this is gonna be like. So, right now, we're showing 3.4, but that is boost. We don't want boost. We want air intake temperature, and we're at toasty 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Awesome. So let's do this. 120. Car is still running. Here's something I don't recommend doing, but I'm going to do. Charge pipes, straight up solid handhold. While car's running, been heat soaked, 120 degrees, air intake temperature, and this is one of those things where I could probably just continue to hold until I got a cramp. This isn't one of those things where, oh, it's cool to the touch. It's cool to touch. No, I can put a solid grip around here and just hold it. Continue to hold it. No problem. Is it warm? Yeah, it's warm, but it's not the, ooh, it's cool to touch. I can put a full grasp on this. A full grasp. There she is. All right. Oh, you can even hear some of the coolant swirling around a little bit there. So car is completely heat soaked. It was 86 degrees outside, and IAT was 120. So over the 30 degree temperature threshold, I think. And it's one of those things where people go, oh yeah, I can touch mine. With silicone, you don't have to worry about touching it. You can just straight up take a handful, grasp. Not that you would, but it just shows that it really does just reject a lot of heat. You know, cools down faster too. So anyway, want to do a quick follow-up. I'm extremely happy with them. I've had them on now for, I guess, like a month plus, and with the extra boost, with custom stage 2 by Cary Jordan, and no issues. Not that I expected there to be any, but that's the whole point. It's not a performance mod, it's an insurance mod, and it's definitely worth it. So that's the review, that's the follow-up. Extremely happy with them. Thanks again for checking in, and I'll see you again on Just One More Mod.